Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Huge shout out to UAG Urban Armor Gear. They sent me the 16-foot drop protection, rugged protection, plasma series case for my OnePlus 10 Pro. All the information that you will need to know to purchase the plasma series case for the OnePlus 10 Pro will be down below in the description area. And if I mention any other products in this video, all of that information will be down there as well. Get a good look at that packaging. We've seen it many times, but I'll tell you something. UAG definitely knows how to package up their products, and that is with style. Soft impact resistant core, feather-like composite construction, armor shell, wireless charging compatible, limited lifetime warranty. Yeah, that is awesome. Man, I am stoked to have this case in-house. There's that hard shell back. Got this honeycomb design on the inside to help cushion the back of my OnePlus 10 Pro. UAG brand name. Corner protection to absorb shock. Huge cutout. All cutouts will be precise. All the button areas will work properly. All right, let's go ahead and put on the UAG Plasma Series case on my OnePlus 10 Pro. Look at that. Perfectly designed to protect your investment. That is nice. Let's get a close-up on that cutout there. Look at that. Wow. Now I do have a camera glass protector over the top of my camera area there, which adds a little extra height. And even with that height, we still have plenty of depth here and plenty of lip. You can see that right there. No issues with that glass protector, taking pictures, shooting video. No shadowing, any kind of negativity going on utilizing the cameras. Setting it down this way on a flat surface a little bit rough, maybe even a little rougher than that. Please use your discretion. You should be fine. Now with all that protection going on there on the back, you'll be able to take great quality pictures and shoot great quality video. At the bottom, cut out for your speaker there, USB Type-C charging port, plenty of room there to utilize that area. Got a little cutout right there for the first mic, the other mic up top right there. Again, look at those corners. Yeah, man, that's a lot of protection on those corners. For those of you that just can't seem to hold on to your smartphone, you're gonna get a lot of protection. Hard plastic polycarbonate back. On the right hand side, power button. Got a couple little indents there so you can feel that area right there. Huge cutout for the alert slider, which works really well. Power button, nice and responsive. Yeah, that feels really good. Volume rocker. Got your minus symbol, plus symbol right there. And very nice and responsive as well. And it is time for wireless charging. Bam! Just like that. As far as the lip on the front of the case, I almost forgot to talk about that. You got plenty of lip coming around the bottom corner all the way across to the other side. Now, both sides of the Plasma Series case here is going to be flush with the AMOLED display. So all of your protection is going to be right in here. And up top, you're going to get the same protection right in here, coming around the corner, across, and around that corner right there. From left to right, right to left, however you want to see that. So plenty of lip, bottom and top. When laying down on a flat surface, you're going to have a little bit of a gap right in there due to all that lip up top and at the bottom. A lot of protection back here. Either way, plenty of protection. You just got to do your part, and that's hold on to your OnePlus 10 Pro sporting the UAG Plasma Series case. And with that, if there are any questions, please ask down below in the comment section, and I will do my best to get back to you in a timely fashion. All right, everybody. Don't forget, links down below in the description area. Stay safe and healthy. God bless you all. Peace. I am out.